do I feel God? God is you. It is when you look at something beautiful. It's the complexity of emotions. He is the people around you. He is love. He is the magical orchestration that you begin to see. You already feel God. He is in what is, not in what you think it should be, not in expectations. This is the ultimate lesson of non-attachment, unconditional love, faith, honoring, and everything else you came here to learn and experience. When you look at God like this, it is also a lesson about leadership. And you, sweetheart, are exquisite to that. Giving tools, teaching, personal example, empowerment of people, humbleness, making mistakes, taking the lead when you feel it's needed, being loving, being stronger, being softer, all the spectrum. Not making it to the best of your capacity about yourself. That's God leadership through you. So pray. And you can start as simply as saying, "Where are you, God?" Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.